फर्स्टली वेलकम टू वीरेल भयानी एंड मैम सबने ये न्यूज़ सुनकर सबके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा शॉकिंग थी सायरा मैम की। क्या कहना चाहूँगी, व्हाट वाज द रीज़न फॉर दिस आफ्टर 29 ईयर इतनी डिफ़िकल्टीज आने लगी कि डिवोर्स का सेपरेशन का इन्हें स्टेप लेना पड़ा।
29 years is a very long time for a marriage. And when you're married for that long, there are a lot of ups and downs in a marriage, and it's obviously a tough decision. I've put out a joint press release where I've said that, it's with a lot of pain that this decision has been taken. And it is obviously a lot of thought goes into it, and when you have all those ups and downs in a marriage, I think that's when you say, maybe you reach a point of no return, and then you say, okay, maybe it is time to fire. It's hard, it's tough, it's painful, and it's really the individuals involved, who are the spouses of each other. It is really their personal choices.
बट मैम इसी के साथ से जब रहमान सर ने एक ट्विटर पे पोस्ट किया था उन्होंने, और उसके नीचे जो हैशटैग था उसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रोलिंग होने लगी और बहुत सारे सवाल जवाब लोगों के सवाल आने लगे। क्या कहना चाहूँगी, क्या ये PR स्ट्रैटेजी हो सकती है? व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट हैशटैग?
So I have 3-4 things to say. Firstly, though, I would like to say that why don't people focus on the positive? Okay, आप वो उनका tweet पढ़िए. It is such a heartbreaking tweet. He talks about love. He talks about God. He talks about romance. He talks about wanting to have spent 30 years of the marriage, and regarding, but people don't want to focus on that.
Correct.
Secondly, I feel everybody wants just a reason to troll, okay? And Saira have led an impeccable life till now. तो कोई reason नहीं मिला तो चलो ठीक है, एक hashtag पे troll कर देते. So I don't think there are people who look at publicity. I don't think there are people who look at PR. They don't need it. He is a legend in his own right. And like I say, he is a maestro. She is the maestro's wife. They don't need to resort to all these kind of things. Maybe it's an unnamed error which has come in, or maybe not, but I don't want to comment on that. I want to look at only the positive things.
Right.
Like I thought it was a very nice, romantic, thought-provoking tweet. Heartbreaking tweet is how I look at it. I mean, even though I speak for them, I just feel that 29 years is a very long time to remain married. And today I'm sitting in front of you. This is the first time that I'm speaking as a divorce lawyer, on behalf of clients. I never disclose the identity of my clients. I always maintain their confidentiality. But we have also changed the way that we put out this divorce, because we put out a joint press release, because we didn't want to encourage any rumors. We thought it was a very dignified way of going ahead with things, so that's how we've gone about it.
Well, ma'am, ये जानना चाहेंगे कितने सालों से, कितने महीनों से ये केस चल रहा था?
No, not only them. Whenever any good client or anybody good comes to me, and or anybody comes to me as a client, I always tell them counseling dekh lo. There are so many other, divorce is, we are a pro-marriage country. For us, marriage is the ultimate destination, and as it should be, that, it's filled with dreams, it's filled with joy, it's filled with laughter. Weddings are one of the biggest businesses that India is known for, So I always advise all my clients to look at counseling, look at all other choices before taking a decision to divorce. So, as I advise all clients, I advise them also that, one can always look at counseling and all such other things before looking at a divorce.
Ma'am, any final settlement or alimony अभी तक का decide हुआ है, नहीं decide हुआ है from Saira?
No comments.
बट मैम एक बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ चल रही थी और लिंकअप भी किया जा रहा था मोहिनी के साथ, जो उनकी असिस्टेंट रह चुकी है AR रहमान सर की। कितनी उसमें सच्चाई है? डू यू नो द फैक्ट?
एक मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ
जी।
मैं राफेल नदाल की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ, ओके? अब कल राफेल नदाल अपनी डिवोर्स की न्यूज़ डाले और यहाँ पे वंदना शाह अपनी डिवोर्स की न्यूज़ डाले, और सडनली मुझे लोग पूछने लगे कि उन दोनों में कुछ कनेक्शन है. यू नो हाउ रिडिकुलस इट साउंड्स. You know, so what is the connection? I mean, this kind of rumor is contemptuous. It deserves contempt. You know, so I mean, and Mohini must be going through her own share of pain.
Right.
You know, her husband must be going through his own share of pain. You know, so I just think that these sort of rumors shouldn't just be given credence.
ऑल्सो मैम, आपकी क्या है, रहमान सर से बात हुई थी
इस बारे में
अबाउट द सेपरेशन? व्हाट वाज हिज रिएक्शन? थोड़ा बहुत अगर आप बता सकते हो तो.
देखिए, मैंने जॉइंट स्टेटमेंट डाली है.
Yes,
So, you know,
exactly,
it's
we know
it's obvious
कि बहुत
that you
दोनों
know
के
कि
लिए डिफिकल्ट था.
बहुत दोनों के लिए डिफिकल्ट है. So you know, when you say the joint statement in itself says that you know Vandana Shah and Associates speak on behalf of both of them. So obviously, it is, you know, lawyers are just facilitators. You know, we can only act on the instructions of our clients. So obviously, you know, I have been speaking with both of them. Let me put it out like that.
Ma'am, you know, it is very shocking for everyone.
And
But-
sad.
Yeah.
And it is sad.
Exactly. It is sad because you know, रहमान सर से लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर होते हैं, स्पेशली हिज फैंस. और उनकी फैमिली की भी अगर बात करूँ, उनकी फैमिली भी बहुत बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन है, बिकॉज जिस तरीके से उनकी बेटी की शादी की गई थी, दैट वाज अमेजिंग. सो यू नो, जब ऐसा इस फैमिली से आता है, जो यू नो एक कहते हैं ना, एक इमेज की बात होती है, वो फैंस की तरफ से कहीं ना कहीं यू नो वो फिर एक नेगेटिव इमेज बनने लगता है. व्हाट यू हैव टू
I don't think his fans will have a negative image of him. I think the fans have been quite supportive. I think fans ने काफ़ी उनके ऊपर प्यार बुझारा है और सबने बोला है कि you know we are standing with you, you know, and सायरा के लिए भी वही बोला है उन्होंने, you know, because I think वो दोनों ही इतना प्यार और admiration inspire करते हैं. So, you know, the fans have also been very, very good to them. I must put that out there. You know, I mean, they say things like stay strong and, you know, so I thought that was really nice. And honestly, मेरे को इतना time भी नहीं अभी तक मिला कि मैं ये सब comments पढूं etc. But I feel कि fans ने काफ़ी प्यार ही उनको दिया है. काफ़ी लोगों ने blessings भी दी हैं. You know, and अगर myself also I say that I bless the family. You know, I shower them with blessings. And to stay strong in this time of their life.
Right. मैम, डिवोर्स केस इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं रैपिडली,
बिल्कुल.
बहुत ज़्यादा. क्या बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है इस जनरेशन पर, यू नो, जब ऐसी कुछ डिवोर्स केसेस सामने आते हैं, स्पेशली फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड साइड और बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज़. क्या कहना है आपका, ये जो सेलिब्रिटीज के बीच में जितने भी डिवोर्स होते हैं और कॉमन मैन के बीच में जितने भी डिवोर्स होते हैं, व्हाट इज द कॉमन थिंग यू नो दैट कम्स टू यू?
Just the pain involved in both of them. Okay, I think that is one common factor. Secondly, divorce is not a happy choice in most cases. You know, these are the commonalities. But of course, you know, when you're looking at, let's say, the reasons for a breakup of a marriage can be extremely different in both cases. You know, मैं समझती हूँ कि आप अगर common man के थोड़े से शायद अलग reasons हैं, celebrities के शायद थोड़े से अलग reasons हैं, you know, for divorces. But the end is the family court. In the end, they both have to come to the family court.
Correct.
You know, but I also want to say that every time divorce is not a bad choice. You know, I have spoken earlier and I've written a book called X-Files, which has been published by Penguin. I'd like to show a copy of the book. And, you know, so it is along with Shobha Day and it is published by Penguin. So मैं बोलती हूँ कि अगर आपकी marriages abusive हैं, तो then divorce is not always a bad choice.
Right.
You know, and I am very, 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 very pro that. You know, because आप एक अपनी life rebuild कर सकते हैं with a divorce. You know, so always divorce is not a wrong choice. And sometimes एक marriage में घुटन सी होने लगती है. You know, तो हमेशा ही we can't say कि divorce is a bad choice.
Right.
You know, and maybe you have a chance to rebuild your life. Maybe you have another chance at happiness. You know, so I look at divorce also like that.
पर मैम एक जनरल कोड भी जानना चाहूँगी, लोगों को शादी भी बहुत जल्दी करना है, डिवोर्स भी बहुत जल्दी लेना है।
आई
और
डोंट थिंक लोगों को आजकल शादियां इतनी जल्दी करनी
I will tell you the
है।
reason. What I see, I think आप नहीं देख सकते होगे, या आप जो देखते होगे वो मैं नहीं देख पा रही होंगी। कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे लगता है कि कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं कि शादी करके सिर्फ एलिमनी डिमांड, लाइक इट्स बिकम अ ट्रेंड नाउ।
हाँ।
एलिमनी डिमांड कर लो, बड़ा पैसा ले लो आदमी से और निकल जाओ, देन गो फॉर नेक्स्ट। इज इट दैट? आपको लगता है ऐसे कुछ हो रहा
I
है?
think that's a wrong question to ask me because I speak a lot about women's rights. So I think that's a wrong question for me, but I will still address it that everybody talks about weaponization of laws by women, but my answer to that is, why did the laws come in such a way that they were used against women? For example, I'm sitting in front of you. I'm young, I'm good looking, I'm intelligent, I'm educated. If I get married to someone, can I turn around and tell him and his family, give me dowry? No.
No.
Then why is that law and why is that social norm only for women's families? So I don't think there is gender weaponization, and I just think women get a bad name, and there are always bad apples everywhere.